Good morning. So this is day 3 of the my brief talks of Facebook Lives on the Bloom framework, which is a framework that I've developed. So my name is Darren Yap. I'm the founder of Wimble Wellness, and I empower stressed out professionals to thrive under pressure. So today we're going to be talking about the third module or third part of the Bloom framework. As a reminder, so Bloom stands for breathe, listen, observe, occupy, and move. So today we're looking at the observe aspect. So what does this mean? If you were to apply mindfulness in terms of observation, it is about accepting what you see. And a very simple way that you can do things is by simply looking at the palm of your hand and noticing the blotchiness, the color, the different colors. Look at the lines, and you just slowly observe, but accept, not judging what you see. Hi, Miller. Hope you're well. And simply observing what you see. If you have a thought, you leave that thought to one side, you come back to observing whatever you notice in the palms, and remember, try to stop judging that, to not like or dislike what you see. So you might see a line that's got it's fragmented, and you think that's fine. I'm just going to observe it. I'm just going to follow it. I notice that the line is fragmented. Another line, it gets you notice it's a bit wiggly, it isn't perfect, and it's accepting that it's not perfect. We're not judging that. Okay, so do let me know what you thought about that. Try it for a few minutes today after I finish this Facebook Live. Post a comment below, give us a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to try more of my approach to mindfulness and integrating it into your busy life, then you're welcome to join me every day in my online classes. Today we'll be doing mindful motion, so a lot of movement and focusing on the body, and that's at 2 p.m. So check out my timetable at wimble.com. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye bye.